Team, 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 team. Team, 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 team. Good job.
Show mommy Mommy needs to see.
Oh, see? Oh, wow.
Wow.
Jilana, good job. Oh, see? We're not missing a puzzle then. That's really good. Are you happy with that? You learned that puzzle? Yeah, you... You like your puzzle? So you want more of that then? Ano ba yung mga alphabet train na yun? Ay, kunin mo alphabet train? Because you're gonna go for your exam. Oh,
No! Save it. We'll put it in a box.
you're going to take exam. Ano yung alphabet train na yan?
Dami natin gamit. Jilana.
Oh. Wala?
Only one more.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh, ABC?
What about here?
Where?
Here.
Nalilib na ako.
She did the puzzle. Yeah. Yeah.
Start way.
Yeah, because that's your exam.
ABC muna. ABC. A muna. A. Find the A. Here you go. A.
All the way here.
I'll find the B.
B, Jilana, B. B, as in boy. Or ball.
No, baby.
Baby, yeah, good job.
Bear.
Oh, bear?
Baby.
Say B bear.
Team.
Team. Put it here. Come here. Team. Team. Astig,
C.
Find the D, Jilana, D. D as in dog. Julene, sit nicely, go there in that thingy. You got so comfortable with that.
Oh, good job.
Sit nicely.
What's next?
Dog.
E.
E as in elephant.
Wait.
Oh, wow, nice. F as in frog. Go find frog. You're not ready? Frog. Oh. And then G as in goat. Say G. Goat. Oh, that's Z. Zebra. Go. Gur. Yeah. Fine. Gorilla. Go, gorilla.
No.
No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
That's the start, right?
Were you this too far?
One more here.
You have to do the G, gorilla. Where's the G? Next is gorilla, anak. It's behind you. Don't take it. Yeah, that's next. Gorilla, Jilana. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, gorilla. Yeah. And then H as in horse. Horse. Where's your horse? Jilana. Team. H as in horse. Next. Behind you.
Iguana.
Iguana, anak. I.
Where are the
Iguana. I.
this?
Iguana.
This?
I. Jilana. Yeah, I. What's next to J is I. Jilana. J. Find J. Where's J? J as in Jilana. Jaguar. Good job. Wow, katakot naman yan, uy. K. Where's your K? Kangaroo. Where's your kangaroo? Oh, gorilla. Kangaroo. Kangaroo as in K.
Oh, I know that one.
Kangaroo, where is it?
I know that one.
Oh, galing ah. L. Next is L as in